Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice for one person. First, ensure you have 1 cup of cold, day-old cooked rice. This is crucial for the best texture. Next, prepare your ingredients by dicing 1/4 cup of vegetables like carrots and peas. Also, have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil measured out. This preparation makes cooking smooth and quick. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your wok or large skillet over high heat. Once hot, quickly scramble 1 egg, then set it aside. Next, add your diced vegetables and any protein, like a few ounces of cooked chicken or shrimp. Stir-fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender, crisp, and fragrant. Keep that heat high. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, even when cooking. I love my Owala water bottle for keeping my drinks cold all day. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. It's time to bring it all together. Add your cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir-fry vigorously for about 2 minutes, ensuring the rice is heated through and coated. Finally, return the scrambled egg to the pan and mix everything until evenly combined. Garnish with green onions if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.